Welcome to today's episode of Movie Reviews. Chyan Ranjit films have always tried to be the voice of the downtrodden, highlighting their problems and protests. Since Attakathi, he has tried to explain this topic accurately. Ranjit also exposes the caste system that still exists in Tamil through his films. Tangalan is the latest addition to that movie chain. Although it belongs to the periodical action drama genre, Pa Ranjit has brought the same story to the audience through Tangalan, which is still relevant today. The story begins with the backward community of Vepur, period of existence of Janmitanan system, a group of people who fill their stomachs with cultivation. The British take the villagers of Vepur to mine for gold after seeing huge deposits of gold in Anmala, Karnataka. Pa Ranjit talks about the events that will happen after this with the color of politics. Although Tangalan may appear to be a period film at first glance, it cannot be confined to a specific genre. Tangalan tells fantasy, faith, action and love simultaneously. At the same time, this Pa Ranjit film talks about Dalit politics and revolution. Tangalan was one of the first to go with the British on their quest for gold. Tangalan is a person who thinks that his life is not for being at the bottom of the society and spitting on the scapegoat of the ruling class. He thinks that if he gets at least a fraction of the gold that is mined, his and his family's future will be saved and there will be an upliftment in the society. But what he had to face and lose on that journey were blood-smelling experiences. We have seen Kolar gold mine on the silver screen before this through KGF films. But Pa Ranjit has prepared a Kolar gold mine that is different from all that. Tangalan can be seen from the period when gold mining started in KGF. The presentation of Tangalan is in many layers. While the elements of fantasy and faith are present, the element of Dalit politics is often seen to be at the fore. Tangalan was the first to speak out against the Janmitta system in Vepur. This character is saying out loud that they are the owners of the land they are working on. The first half of the film is about Tangalan's journey to improve the standard of living. In this half, Tangalan is standing like a slave to the capitalists. But in the second half of the film, Tangalan is a revolutionary who tries to uplift the backward community he belongs to. It would not be wrong to describe this character as a social reformer in these scenes. Vikram has given an extraordinary performance for Tanglana. Vikram underlines that no one is as smart as him to play such experimental roles. Chyan has handled Tangalan's character's transition between reality and illusion with captivating ease. Malvika's role as Aarti can also be applauded. Malvika has given a fierce performance as a fighter and a mind-blowing conceptual creator of Tangalan. Parvathy Thiruvotha's role is next to the character of Tangalan. Love, despair, fear and valor were all combined in Parvathy. Pashupati has perfected the laborer of Kolar who walks thinking that Narayanapda will blossom after his death. A completely different role from the boxing coach in the Sarpatta series, Bhadra was seen in Pashupati. Through Tangalan, Pa Ranjit conveys the view that hunters can protect the land. Through it, he has presented to the audience a self-realized society that does not fear the power of the ruling class. The film also tells that when the authorities make promises that rival gold and make the eyes yellow, one should recognize the color of the hut behind it and ask questions. Tangalan breaks the stereotypes of pan-Indian periodical films. That is why Tangalan is added to the list of must-sees.